Hi, everyone. I just wanted to show you how you can work this behavior goals sheet from your classroom, and it will be a ongoing portfolio for you. So the very first thing you're going to do is you have to come up to the Word file, click on it, and then you need to make a copy of it. You won't be able to do it unless you make a copy. So let's say this is for Maddox. So I type in his name just so that I know that it is for Maddox, and I push OK. Once I push OK, it's going to reload, and when you see his name on the top left-hand corner, that means this is his ongoing behavior sheet or behavior goal. So from there, you can add his name by double-clicking, and then you can put his name there. You can type in his goals. So I don't know what his goals would be, but hallway, and then down here it could be classroom or whatever it is. I'm just going through this as quickly. And then here are all the times that he would have. So let's say from 9 to 9:30, he does not make his goal. I click on the frown face. When I click on it, do you see this blue? It needs to have those blue box with all those little boxes. When you have that, you come up to the paint fill, you click on it, and then you color it a color that you think would be not a good one. And then let's say from 9, and then you can say what his comment is just by double clicking. And you have to wait till you get that cursor that's blinking, and you can say pushed someone in hall. From there, you can come down here, and let's say you made it this time. I click on it, see how I got that 9 boxes around one box. I come up to the paint fill, I click it, and since he did it, I'm making that one yellow. And then so on and so forth. So total, so how many smiley faces he get? Let's say he got 6, 4, and then 2 non-smileys. So it's written there for you. And then you're done. Then you come over to the PM and do the same thing. Now, if you're doing this daily, so this would be done today. So for tomorrow, I would just come up to file. I would come up to make a copy. I would say copy of Maddox number 2 so that I know that it's number 2. I push OK. And then it's making it. And now, obviously, it has these things from yesterday on it. So you can just go back and change the colors back to whatever colors they were. And the goals are going to keep the same. And then down here would change as well. So they just would have to make a couple of changes, which is no big deal. Or you could go back, if you don't want to do that, you can go back to your original one, which is here, and just make a copy of that. But then you're going to have to put in the goals and the names again. So you can decide how you want to do it. And then you can always share it with Mr. Vanetti, Mr. Medor, whomever, a parent. You just got to make sure if you're sharing it with a parent, when you come to the share button, you need to go to the advanced, and you need to, where it says specific people can access, make sure you push change, and you click the one, anyone with the link. Can view, make sure the can view is on. If not, they'll be able to get on there and make all kinds of changes. And if you don't have this with the link, they won't be able to open it. So, and then you make sure you push save, and there you go, and then push save. So if you have any questions or need help with this, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you with it. Good luck.